Hello, welcome back to MojoCAD. Yeah, so this is our third exercise for our practice. Yeah, we looked at we looked at this one also. So this is our third. Please, if you want to follow, you can pause the video and continue as I'm doing. Thank you so much. If you're new here, consider subscribing, comment, like, and share. Yeah, so straight away, I'll start. However, you have to plan for it. So what I'm going to start with, I'll start with 130 by 75. Then by 15, I'll extrude going that side. Then later on, I'll do this piece. Lastly, this will come, then the holes. Okay? Alright, so, sorry, it's the front. By 130, then 75, then okay. So there we are. We're through with our first part. Now on top of this that I've just made, I'm going to draw a rectangle that will take that direction. However, on the other end of the rectangle, we shall have these pieces which are measuring 12 with a width of 15 millimeters, then 20 from each. Okay, so I'll do this, then I set to normal. It's 15 millimeters. And have my center line, so come at this point and drag. This is 15 millimeters by 15 by 12. Okay, so this is 12. So with this, what I can do, I can mirror. I do that. However, I need to feed in this distance as 10. Sorry. Say this like that. It will be 10. Then say okay. So from here, I'm going to trim out the things that I don't need. For example, don't need this. I also don't need this. So this is what I need. It's what I'm going to extrude. Yeah. So when I come here and I look closely, I'll need from this surface out, it will be 15 plus 18 millimeters. Then in the other direction, it will be 75 minus 33. When we add this, we get 33. So that means in the first direction I have 42, in the other direction I'll extrude and I'll have 33. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll use two directions for this. I'll have 42 for the first direction. In direction 2, I'll have 33. Okay. Okay. So where we are through with these parts. Now I'll put the holes. 15 of diameter, 16 from the center, then from here up to the end it's 15. So 15, 15, then 16. Okay, put this to normal. Come here and sketch my circle here around there. So they've told us that it's of diameter 16. From here up to here, having 15, and also from here up to here, from here up to here, having that. So let me see what I can do here. So when you look at this, it's almost similar to this 15 off, 15 off from this side. So what I can do, I can copy the circle, or I draw another one straight away. Hearing 16 from this edge to this, having 15, then from this edge to this, okay. You can do the extrude cut going downwards, then you say okay. So we are through with this hole, you are through with this hole, then you have these 30 millimeters down, then 20 inside, and they are of diameter 10, and they are 2. There are 2 holes. There are 2 holes. However, they are alternating a bit, so shall come here and say that, then I'll make it normal for me to see it very well. So I'll draw one circle here, and I'll draw another circle down here. Okay, so you can add relationship and say this and this, they are equal. Then okay, I go ahead and the diameter, that is 10. So next part is from here to this line, we are having 20. Really? Let me check again. Yeah, it's 20. Okay, but from this line to this line, it's 30. So it's the opposite here. From here to here, still 20. but from here to here it's 30. Okay, yeah, so there we are. I'm going to extrude, cut through. Okay, this is it. Now lastly is this part here. It's like a wedge, see. So I'm going to sketch using one of these ends. However, I'll offset how I'll be beginning my extrude command. So I'm going to select one of these, either this or this. Then as I'm extruding, I'll offset the sketch to 130 divided by 2, which is 65. Then from there I'll do the mid plane extrusion for me to have this. Okay, so I'll just say I can select this sketch, then also change it to normal maybe. So I'll come here and select a line from that point, this point, this point, then this point. So from there I'll use the extrude boss. However, where I have the sketch plane, then I'll have offset, and the offset that I need will be 65. 65, then, and also reverse the direction of the offset to that direction, then have the mid plane. This is measuring 12. See? So there we are. However, we can try to check it out, see whether we have done the right thing. I measure this to this, it's 59. Okay, 59 plus 59. Okay, 118 plus 12. Yeah, that's 130. So this is it. This was our third exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos. Yeah, this has been it. So the next block will be this one, our fourth block. Please subscribe, comment, share. Thank you so much.